Hi guys, it's Globalista Tamara and I'm here today to explore the beautiful Malta.
All I can say is there's so much history and culture here.
One of the ways that I choose to discover it is by getting lost in the tiny streets. But there's so much more to this beautiful island besides its past. In addition to diving, it's filled with centuries-old charm coupled with stunning views. If you want to dive, then the Blue Hole in Malta's sister island Gozo is not to be missed. The Blue Hole is an inland sea pool located just underneath the Azure window. Beneath the surface lies spectacular scenery.
The experience was absolutely amazing. Until the next time, guys, be there.